Have you ever wondered about the natural wonders of Meghalaya? Well, wonder no more as we embark on a journey to explore this hidden gem in the northeast of India. Our first stop
जिक्र तेरा ना जाए मेरे लब से बुलावे तुझे यार आज तेरी गलियां बसाऊं तेरे संग में अलग दुनिया जो वो है तू दस मुझे देखे हंस दे तू चाहे मेरे हक की जमीन रख ले तो सांसों पे भी नाम.
Our first stop is Dawki, a small border town known for the Umngot River. Imagine a river so clear that you can see the pebbles on the riverbed and fish swimming underneath. That's the magic of Dawki. The river with its emerald green waters paints a picture of serene tranquility that will leave you enchanted. From Dawki, we move on to Mawlynnong, a village that has earned the title of Asia's cleanest village. Eco-friendly lifestyle of the locals and the beautifully maintained village is a testament to their commitment to cleanliness and sustainability. Next up, we venture into the thick woods to marvel at the architectural wonder that is the living root bridges. These bridges aren't built but grown. The Khasi tribe has, over centuries, manipulated the roots of the rubber tree to form a bridge over the streams. We then head to Cherrapunji, once recognized as the wettest place on earth. A place where the hills are alive with the sound of gushing waterfalls and the air is thick with mist. It's a place where the clouds descend to kiss the earth. The journey wouldn't be complete without a visit to the Seven Sisters Waterfall, a unique spectacle. Unique spectacle of nature. 7 streams cascading down the cliffside is a sight that will captivate your heart and soothe your senses. Our final destination is Mawlynnong, another contender for the title of the wettest place on Earth. This place is known for its impressive rainfall and unique landscapes, including intriguing caves and limestone formations. And so, as we wind down our journey through the natural wonders of Meghalaya, we hope to have ignited a spark of curiosity and wanderlust in you. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered.
दुनिया कहती इश्क